हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इन ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स। और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर 5 पैस्टोरलिस्ट इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड का क्वेश्चन आंसर, जो कि क्लास 9th के हिस्ट्री का है। तो चलिए शुरू करते। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्लेन व्हाई नोमैडिक ट्राइब्स नीड टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर। व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस टू द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ दिस कंटिन्यूअस मूवमेंट। तो इसका आंसर है, nomadic tribes need to move from one place to another because they don't have access to regular fields. They can't stay in one place for lengthy periods of time. When there is snow, they reside in lower hills, and during summers, they travel up to mountain slopes to summer grazing grounds. The following are the advantages to the environment. First, it stops overgrazing, and second, by this the ecosystem has an opportunity to regenerate and recover the barren lands. Second question है, discuss why the colonial government in India brought in the following laws. In each case explain how the law changed the lives of pastoralists. तो पहला है वेस्टलैंड रूल्स. It is a set of laws passed in the mid-19th century by the British colonial government in India that took over uncultivated lands and gave to individuals. Second है Forest Act. इसका है, this act banned nomadic people from shifting cultivation and using forest supplies. They were allowed to live in the reserved areas only when they work free for Britishers. तीसरा है क्रिमिनल ट्राइब्स एक्ट. It was a series of laws passed by the British colonial government in India that criminalized entire communities and restricted their rights. चौथा है grazing tax, जिसका definition है, it was a tax imposed by the British colonial government in India in the mid-19th century, requiring pastoralists to pay a fee for grazing their animals on pasture. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, गिव रीजन्स टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई द मसाई कम्युनिटी लॉस्ट देयर ग्रेजिंग लैंड्स. तो इसका आंसर है, द मसाई कम्युनिटी lost its grazing lands because of the Advent rule in Africa. In 1885, Maasai land was cut in half by an international boundary drawn between the two colonies, British Kenya and German Tanganyika. Except this, some of the regions were droughts, dry areas, white settlement, etc. The Maasai community lost their grazing lands. चौथा क्वेश्चन है, देयर आर मेनी सिमिलैरिटीज इन द वे इन विच द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड फोर्स्ड चेंजेस इन द लाइफ्स ऑफ पेस्टोरल कम्युनिटीज इन इंडिया and East Africa. Write about any two examples of changes which were similar for Indian pastoralists and the Maasai herders. Two changes that were similar for Indian pastoralists and the Maasai herders are as follows. पहला है, both communities lost their grazing lands due to the preference given to cultivation. और second है, both communities were nomadic and hence were regarded with extreme suspicion by the colonial powers governing them. Thank you.